received these fall garland sets as a sample from the seller in exchange for my honest review. So let's take a look at them. The set includes 3 separate battery-operated fall garlands. So if you want to decorate several areas of your home for the holidays or for fall without needing electrical outlets, this set is perfect. Each strand measures 10 feet long and contains 20 warm LED lights and 20 maple leaves. So altogether you receive 30 feet of garland with 60 lights and 60 leaves. One feature that really stands out is the size of the leaves. The leaves measure 4 inches in diameter, and they have a realistic look and coloration. And because of the size of the leaves, it gives the garland a fuller appearance. Each garland runs on 3 AA batteries, which are not included, and they're simple to install. You just pop the cover off, slide it back in after you insert your batteries. And a great feature is it has an on and off button, but it also has a timer. So you just set that in the middle, and when the timer is selected, the lights remain on for 6 hours and then turns off for 18 hours. And it repeats the same time each day. You can see the beautiful warm glow that these leaves have, and that adds beautiful fall decor. Because the strands are separate, you can use them together to decorate different areas of your home, such as a fireplace mantle, a doorway porch, railing, a window table, or even a small tree. Now let's take a look at the possibilities. Here you have a fireplace mantle that looks like a beautiful fall scene, which is perfect for Thanksgiving, Halloween, or just a cozy atmosphere during the fall in your home. You can turn an ordinary door into a fall scene, which is again perfect for the holidays, for Halloween parties, adding the beauty of fall to your home. Even a simple houseplant can become a beautiful fall decoration using this garland. The individual strands, the realistic looking leaves, the warm glow of the lights, and the availability to use the sets continuously or individually make this garland, for me, a definite gotta get.